Hey gamers, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into a quick 2-minute guide on how to build and nurture your gaming community. Whether you're a new content creator or looking to strengthen your current community, these tips are for you. So grab your controller, hit that like button and let's get started. 1. Define your gaming niche. The first step to building a thriving gaming community is to define your niche. Identify the specific games, genres, or themes that resonate with you and your audience. This helps attract like-minded gamers who share your passion. Whether it's RPGs, FPS, or indie games, make it clear what your channel is all about. 2. Consistent content schedule. Consistency is key in the world of gaming content creation. Establish a regular uploading schedule that your audience can rely on. Whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, sticking to a consistent schedule helps build anticipation and loyalty among your viewers. Set realistic goals that align with your content creation pace. 3. Engage with your viewers. Engagement is the heart of any successful gaming community. Respond to comments on your videos, participate in live chats, and ask for viewer input on game choices or future content. Create a sense of community by acknowledging your audience. They're not just viewers, they're fellow gamers on this journey with you. 4. Utilize social media platforms. Extend your gaming community beyond YouTube by utilizing social media platforms. Establish a presence on platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. Share updates, behind-the-scenes content, and engage with your community on these platforms. A multi-channel approach helps strengthen your community bonds. 5. Collaborate with other gamers. Collaboration is a powerful tool for community building. Team up with other gamers, either through joint gameplay sessions, podcasts, or even collaborations on social media. This not only introduces your community to new personalities, but also helps you tap into new audiences and communities. There you have it, a quick guide on building your gaming community in just 2 minutes. Define your gaming niche, maintain a consistent content schedule, engage with your viewers, utilize social media platforms, and collaborate with other gamers. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming content, and hit the bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy gaming, and let's continue building this awesome community together.